Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw the isometric projection of an inverted hexagonal pyramid of base side 30 and height 60, keeping two of its base side parallel to VP. So they have said inverted hexagonal pyramid and two of its base side parallel to VP. So when I will draw HP VP, I will draw hexagon like this. It is inverted, that's why hexagon is up, and these two sides are parallel to VP. So it will be like this. Observer is watching it from here, X. So first we will draw scale, that is 30 and 45, and we'll mark distance. After that, this is 30 degree and this is 45 degree. This is 50 and this is 30. So first we will draw hexagon. We'll mark side 30. We'll join like this. We'll convert this into a box of 1, 2, 3, 4 and we'll write hexagon as A, B, C, D, E, F. After that, we'll mark distance M and N. After this, we'll draw a box. We'll mark 30 degree. We'll take height 60 and we'll cut over here. We'll take 1 to 2 and 1 to 4 and we'll cut like this. After that, we'll draw a parallel line. We'll get 0.3. Then take 2 to B, 1 to A. Same way 3 to D and 4 to E. You can take 2 to C and 1 to F. It will be same. You can cut from 2 and 1. I'll write A, B, C, D, E, F. Then I will join all these sides. Now you take M, which is this distance. Earlier it was an error. It is till 1. This is point M, OM. And from M you draw vertical line, which is equal to height, and we'll draw axis. After that you join all these edges OA, OB, OF, and you can draw axis. You can draw the axis at M also, which I haven't done, but then you can do dimensions and write origin 30 degree and direction of viewing. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.